Hello, everyone. It's this week's crypto episode. I'm Jam,
I'm Cons.
and we are two bros interested in finance. I'm very tired. I have my cozy hoodie on because I'm not 20 years old anymore. Uh, Still in my 20s, but not 20 years old. It's all right, though. Okay, so let's start with the crypto episode. Before we get into the news, let's talk about the prices quickly. So I want to start with the cryptocurrency prices, like individually. So Bitcoin in the last 7 days increased by 5%, trading around 114,000. Ethereum trading around 4,000 in the last 7 days, 2 point increase. Ripple trading at 264 increased by 10% in the last 7 days. BNB trading over $1,000 increased less than 1.3% in the last 7 days. And Solana, lastly, trading nearly around $200 and was increased 4.3% in the last 7 days. Aside cryptos individually, CMC 20 index was increased 4% in the last 7 days, and CMC 100 4.2% in the last 7 days. So crypto market had a okay week, 5% is not that big of an increase for crypto. And news-wise, other than the China, United States tariff wars again, economical wars again, in my opinion, there aren't many news that is like very much related to the prices. After the crash, which happened like I think maybe 3 weeks ago, I'm not sure.
hmm
A crypto market, especially Bitcoin, has been trying to recover, and we are still seeing recovery movements. Right now, it's stable, going sideways. And yeah, actually, that's about it. There isn't many news for crypto for this week. What's your take on this?
yeah. Again, always hard with crypto, bro. Every time, every episode. Yeah, it's tough. I don't know. We have a nice little consolidation phase, I guess, in crypto going on. I feel like since we don't know, or like we're not talking so much about it, or there's not major news, maybe news it's like cooling off in general about crypto, right? But I'm a little bit scared right now. I feel like there's a little bit of a fear. I'm just talking about Bitcoin right now, not the general coin market, but I feel like Bitcoin may be around like a 50-50 kind of position right now for either going up and we reach new all-time highs, or it actually might break down. So I feel like it's right now it's really testing supports and resistances, and yeah, I don't know. It's tough. We had a new all-time high recently, right? So it wasn't that. Um,
Yeah.
but a double top could be possible maybe. And I don't know, maybe a cheeky sell-off. You never know with crypto. So I'm
I
literally
think,
in between right
yeah.
now.
Yeah, no, you're 100% right. I'll definitely agree on the things that you say. In terms of fear and greed, right now the fear and greed index is at 36, which is fearful. It's
Yeah.
not extreme fear, but it's in the fear zone. In my opinion, of course, not a financial advice as we are not professionals, but people who have lost money in this market quite a lot. In my opinion, I can definitely say that there might be a bit of a downfall again, and we will start seeing an increase, in my opinion.
hmm
So that's what I expect. I still expect a bit of a sell-off, but as you said, and I agree with that 100%, the market kind of gives uh an uncertainty. You don't really know what's going to happen right now.
hmm Yeah. Yeah, exactly. That's what gives it to me a little bit. I watch sometimes crypto updates nowadays as well, because it's part of like the stock sentiment stocks and like analytical, and I feel like there's a lot of uncertainty right now. Although,
Yeah,
like on the beginning of October when we had this fresh all-time high came out of nowhere as well, right? So it's like always
yeah.
like um it takes maybe a month to reach a new all-time high. So maybe like in 2 weeks, 3 weeks time, we'll see it for Bitcoin. But yeah, 50-50 for me on this one. I don't know.
I mean, there isn't much time left for October, and right now
Yeah.
October as a month is a minus in for Bitcoin. So I guess we are waiting for November for the big increases, but that's about it, literally. I think
Yeah.
it can go, as you said, I 100% agree. Right now, it can go both ways. Still, by the end of this year, I still am positive on my forecast. But yeah, right now, in the very short term, both ways is possible.
Yeah, I'm keeping with mine as well, and then I'll probably reset one for next year. So obviously, we're gonna both do new goals, right? But yeah, I don't know. Let's hope for the best, obviously, and going up.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly.
But honestly, if I can add a little bit to this, I'm also watching Coinbase stock these days a lot since it's related to crypto. And honestly, I'm kind of bullish on Coinbase in general still. I'm looking for an exit way, but I think it might happen in the next 6 months. But obviously, talking about Coinbase, I always have to talk about crypto. So if Bitcoin is going the other way and it's selling off, I a little bit fear for my Coinbase stock in the short term. Obviously, not long term, but like Bitcoin and Coinbase do correlate a little bit, I feel like. And
No,
yeah,
definitely does. Yeah.
but I'm bullish on Coinbase, but 50-50 on crypto or Bitcoin. So yeah, let's see. Otherwise, I have nothing to add.
Okay, then I don't have anything to add as well. Then thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, share, ring the bell. Grandma, grandpa, you guys already know the drill by now. Catch you guys in the next episode. Bye bye.
Ciao, ciao, guys.